Healthy rice begins with healthy land. Soft soil creates the perfect foundation for rice. A level field helps every rice plant grow evenly.
Great harvests begin with the best seeds. Healthy germination begins with soaking the seeds. The first tiny sprouts signal new life.
Every seed is placed carefully for healthy growth. Strong seedlings are ready for the next stage. The first monsoon rain welcomes the young rice plants into the field.
The right water level keeps young rice plants healthy.
Nitrogen gives the rice plants the energy to grow. Strong roots build a stronger harvest.
Healthy plants need protection from pests and diseases.
The monsoon feeds the fields, while careful farmers protect the crop.
Removing weeds helps every rice plant grow stronger. Clean fields help rice grow faster and healthier.
Strong plants produce stronger grains. The first grain heads appear, bringing harvest one step closer. The grains are filling, preparing for the final stage of ripening.
Months of care have turned the fields into gold. Harvest day has finally arrived.
The harvest is moved for the next important step. Fresh paddy is separated from the straw.
Sunlight gently dries the paddy for the next stage. Clean paddy is now ready for the rice mill. The paddy begins its journey to the rice mill.
The paddy arrives at the mill for processing. The protective husk is removed, revealing the rice inside.
Fresh rice is packed and ready for families everywhere.
The journey continues from the field to the kitchen.
From a tiny seed to every meal, this is the amazing journey of rice. Thank you for watching!